How to make compost sifter. Materials and equipments needed. These are the steps. Attach all the lumbers together using a nail or screw. Screw is better because the lumber is thin. The lumber may split with the nail. But if you decide to use a nail, drill the lumber first, before putting the nail. This will prevent the lumber to split. Make 2 wood frames with the same size. Do it in the same process. Next step, cut the galvanized steel hardware cloth. Make sure that the ends are inside the wood frame you made. Put the other wood frame on top of the other wood frame, sandwiching the galvanized steel hardware in the middle. Drill a hole and combine the 2 wood frames together using a screw or nail. compost are oftentimes still has a lot of chunks and pieces of twigs and uncompost products. This compost sifter works great in filtering out the chunks and letting the finished compost through. This is the best tool to separate the compost and uncompost product. This is the compost product separated by the compost sifter. I hope you learned from this video. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.